My name is Josh Herman. We're talking about the Equaliser Proton Pen from Kwadron. You look inside there, there's a couple little notches in there. You line up your key in there and just twist. It's all loose, pops out. That pops right out. And it's a spring usually that usually gets weak and breaks and stuff like that, but luckily these guys give you a bunch of replacements. Just grab your new spring, pops right back into that area there, and then it just goes right back inside. Screw it back together until it locks in. Put your grip back on. Bam, you're fucking done.